Felixstowe Blue Cross enjoyed brilliant weather for their annual dog show and fun day at the Trimley Sports and Social Club on Sunday the 2nd of August. The event attracted loads of people and tons of dogs, all sizes, all breeds and all ages, from puppies to the seriously ancient. As ever, Blue Cross staff and volunteers kept busy with stalls, dog show competitions and scurry and agility course, and the dogs looked as if they had as much fun as the owners. As this is the last dog show before Blue Cross moved to their new Ipswich base, we asked about the prospects for a show in 2016. They said that they'd like to keep some sort of presence in the area, as Felixstowe and its residents have been such a great support to them over many years. And at the end of the show, we had to take a look at the face painting stall. Here's a young lady who was here with her mum from Great Yarmouth's Greyhound Home Finder Group, and she was having a quick frozen based design.